So I have some limited space at my apartment in Hawaii. That's why I got this folding table right here. I want to pop it up in front of my couch here so me and my daughter can eat at it, because we honestly don't have room for a dining table in here. So hoping this is a nice table that saves space and it's easy to put together. Let's go find out. So first thoughts right away is that I like this material that it's made out of. It's soft yet feels sturdy, and it also looks easily washable. And it looks incredibly easy to set up. Just pull up on these legs until they pop into place. Same thing with these ones. And it's nice and lightweight, really easy to flip over, and it looks like a good height for eating. I'd say about the height of a breakfast table for me off of my couch. And that's because this table stands about 28 inches tall, which means it's about halfway up to my hip as well, and I'm 6'1", so I can easily still put my hand on it while I'm standing next to it. And it is feeling sturdy enough to put dinner on. All 4 feet are making contact with the ground, and the 4 feet have these tough rubber pads that keep them from slipping around. And it's roughly 48 inches long by about 20 inches deep. So you got lots of space on this thing. There's my laptop, 2 plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups, and we're having a meal and a movie right here. And when we're all done, it's gonna be super easy to put away. Just flip it up like that, push inward on these pieces right here. There are 2 on each side, and then fold the legs down like this. And then I place it into storage over here, the same place that I keep my drying rack for my clothes. So that's how I'm managing space in my little apartment right now. This is gonna be really useful for me. And if you're looking for something that's easy to set up, it looks like it's gonna last a long time and doesn't take up a lot of space, this could be the right table for you as well.